Okay, this is a little extra tutorial help for people who maybe need a little extra explanation for simple subject and simple predicate. Last week we were talking about complete subject and complete predicate. Simple means less words, only the subject that's doing the action or being something. Okay, so if we would look at sentence one, that little dog is following us to school. Well, we know that the subject is the little dog. So the simple subject is one word in this case, dog. Okay. Now, what is the dog doing? It's following. Now, the tricky part about this sentence is that it has a helping verb with it. And you wouldn't know that really unless you had memorized all the helping verbs. So I highly recommend that you start memorizing the helping verbs that will show up on a test at some point in the future. So following is helped by the word is. So that I'm going to underline twice. This is a universal thing. The simple subject is always underlined with one underline. The simple predicate is always underlined with two underlines. Okay? Now these other words have names and so forth, but we are going to talk about those later on in the year. We don't want to overwhelm you with too much right now. So for sentence number 2, Brian forgot his flute. Who is doing something? Brian. Yeah. Brian is the one doing something. So I'm going to underline that one time. Now, what did Brian do? Did he flute something? No. He forgot something. And there are no helping verbs with this one. I'm sorry, I've got crooked lines here, but I'm trying to draw with a mouse, and that's what happens. Okay, so we have simple subject is Brian, simple predicate is forgot. Okay, now, number 3. The yellow canary fell in love with the shiny mirror. Who is doing something? Is yellow doing something? How can a color do something? A color can't do anything, can it? Okay, so that must mean it is the canary. Only canary. We don't want to oops, I'm sorry. Let me undo that. Okay, only the canary is doing something. Yellow can't do anything, so it's not part of the subject. Now, what is the canary doing? Can the canary mirror? No. Mirror is the object of the sentence. Can the canary shiny? No, you can shine a mirror, but you can't shiny it. With and the, those are not verbs. Where's the verb? Okay, now the tricky part here is that love can be a verb, and that has stumped quite a few people. Love can be a verb, but does it say the yellow canary loved the shiny mirror? No, it doesn't. So what is the canary doing? It fell in love. In is a preposition, and therefore in love is a prepositional phrase, and therefore it cannot be the predicate of the sentence. The canary is in the process of falling in love. Okay? Not in. Oh, that makes it look like I'm doing in. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. So, canary is the simple subject, fell is the simple predicate. All right? Now, number 4. Keisha hated the movie. I'm going to let you do that one on your own because I know you can do it. You have seen how I've done the others. Notice I've got dog is one word, is following, it's a helping verb and an action verb. Brian is a simple subject, just one noun, it's the person who's doing something. Forgot, one verb, that's a simple predicate. One word is underlined for the simple subject. One word is underlined for the simple predicate. So, one, 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 one. These are all ones. The only exception is when there's a helping verb with it. Later, we might see some that are linking verbs, okay? So, Keisha hated the movie. Go ahead and figure that one out on your own. Number 5, I'll read this to you because I know there's been some confusion on pronunciation that might help. Those plaid slacks are much too long for me. Okay, now this has a being verb. Okay. So I want you to figure out number 5 on your own. That's all I'm going to do for now. Have a lovely day and good luck.